Hi, I'm Stephen Whitwell, Vice President of Field Development for NeoLife North America. My role is to serve and support you and your business. In this video, we will look at how you can earn income through the Network Development Bonus. When you achieve President's Team, you begin qualifying for a Network Development Bonus on your entire business. As you continue to take advantage of the power of duplication, adding new directors and helping your group develop directors in their networks, you will achieve 4 Ruby Director, which makes you a member of the elite President's Team. This size business would earn you more than $120,000 per year of income, and you would begin earning your Network Development Bonus. 4 Ruby Directors and above earn their Network Development Bonus on their entire network's organizations through unlimited levels down to and including the next director of the same pay status. These Network Development Bonuses are paid in addition to the Leadership Development Bonuses you earn. You can think of the Network Development Bonus as royalties you're earning for helping other people build their own business. In closing, the best part of the NeoLife compensation plan is you help yourself by helping others. The bigger you build, the more you earn.